Hello, YouTube pipe community, YTPC, and I am Professor Pipe Smoker. Now, I am really excited today because I got my package in the mail, and I'm going to unbox this. I opened up just this box, but I left everything intact inside because I like to do these unboxings with all of you. So let's first open up this baby. This is a new Baracini pipe that I got, and it's one that I don't have or style. I try to buy styles that are like a little bit something I don't have that doesn't look like the others, right? I mean, isn't that part of like smoking pipes, is that we want to have our own unique thing? Even though I know these are made in factories or whatever, but your own collection. So this is my Baracini Natural, and it's cool because there's no at all stain or anything. It's just a natural pipe with a brown bit here. You can see the B Baracini there, and the stamp on the side over here. And inside they've pre-charred it. So this is really cool. It looks really awesome. Actually, I think it looks better than the photos, so pretty happy about this one. That's really cool. Put this back in its box for now, and I will move on to my second pipe that I got, which is this one right here, which is John Bull. And you can see that that's British. I don't know if these are made in Britain, but British flag. That's pretty cool. This is awesome. Comes in a cool blue bag that has the British flag on like a shield here. It says John Bull across. I can feel plastic in here. It's like a leathery kind of pouch. You can kind of feel that. It's a leathery. Oh, this is cool. Okay. So this is my John Bull Christmas pipe that I just ordered. I love these cool pipes, these specialty pipes here. These are awesome. And look at the color on this. And this ridge is right here. And this band, I mean, this is really cool. Ho, 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 oh, it's Christmas. So really cool Christmas pipe. So that's awesome. I love this. I think I'm going to break this in right now while I'm chatting with all of you. And then I definitely know I'm going to Pipe Smokers Hell, I think, because this is Christmas spice tobacco. And first of all, let me tell you, it smells. I got to tell you what my wife actually said. I asked her if she smelled the tobacco because it is very aromatic. It really is. And she goes, "Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, this is glorious." She said it smells like Hobby Lobby during Thanksgiving, which is Christmas time, because now we put out decorations in July. But wow, that smells really good, by the way. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna open up the vortex to the afterlife, apparently. This is quite stringy, just so you can see this. It's pretty stringy. Let me show you. It came in this bag right here. Let me show you the inside a little bit, if you can see that. It's got darker, you can see Cavendish sitting in there. Kind of a very stringy cut, but it smells exactly like what my wife said. It smells like a holiday. It definitely smells like holiday when you smell it. It's got just a really beautiful tin note to it. Nothing over, bearing or anything like that with this. Very smooth kind of smell. I can't quite put my... I don't know what's in that, but it's really delightful. You know, it kind of smells like a cookie. And I'm not going to fully put this in. I can feel it already. It is a very sappy tobacco, so we'll see how well this lights. I don't think I learned my lesson, apparently, from the last video that I did, which is like making sure that you can actually smoke your pipe on your pipe smoking video. Oh, wow. I will tell you, the first hit off this pipe was like my mouth was filled with candy, sugary sweetness, not overbearing. It wasn't like nasty, like too sweet. Just had this really nice, rounded off kind of sweetness. First of all, let me tell you how good this pipe feels. This pipe feels great as a smoking pipe. Now the tobacco is a whole other story. This is just being miserable again, but the pipe itself has really good balance. Really good. Oh yeah. So once again, every time I relight this, it has a very sugary note right off the relight. Very light. The smell is kind of... Okay. The smell is kind of like molto dolce, but a little stronger. Sizzling a little bit because of the moisture content. I can taste the sweetness on the tip of my tongue. It is burning a little hotter than regular tobacco, obviously because the aromatic, and it's also wet, so that creates the steam in there. But this pipe seems to be handling it really well. What I love about this pipe is you have this, it's the bulldog shape, so you can't really twist this. So it goes in basically one way, lines up one way. You know, with other pipe bits, you can... and stems, you could, you know, twist it back and forth. This one be hard to kind of do that with. Really need to learn to dry out tobacco, but since I got this, you know, today, I wanted to. Definitely molto dolce kind of thing going on. Very sweet room note. Stronger than Molto Dolce. Molto Dolce is lighter than what this is smelling. But I definitely feel like, oh, wow. Okay, so I just got the room note whiff. It kind of whiffed around when my air conditioner slash heater just kind of kicked on. Wow, that is a glorious, by the way, room note. Um, so here's where I'm at right now. I love the taste of the Molto Dolce better because it's a little milder. But I actually like this room note better than that. Even though the Molto Dolce has a great room note, really, really pleasant room note, this one is definitely outdoing the room note on the Molto Dolce. And as far as the taste goes, this is a little stronger than the Molto Dolce is. Molto Dolce is a little milder in my mouth than this, but it's still, by the way, this is really top notch stuff. So this is the Christmas spice tobacco with the Christmas pipe. Now, right now, I'm opening up some kind of vortex into the metaverse, I think, because I'm smoking a Christmas pipe and Christmas tobacco, and it's not even Halloween yet. But I might be able to stop the metaverse vortex being opened when my next package arrives, which is going to be I got a pumpkin spice tobacco to go with October. I'm not a massive pumpkin spice fan, but I do like pumpkin spice. And what I really love, I don't know if you guys have tried these before, but the Dunkin' like pumpkin spice cream coffees. Like if they want to endorse me, they should endorse me now because like I need to buy stock in the company because those things are glorious. If you love pumpkin pie, the Dunkin' Donuts pumpkin cream cold brew with the pumpkin cold foam tastes like a refreshing pumpkin pie. It is one of the best drinks I think I've ever had. You guys know how like sometimes like pumpkin drinks are just too much pumpkin, like they're just like too spicy or they just got too much over and they got like the weird aftertaste of the pumpkin. Not this Dunkin' drink because the cold brew takes away like kind of that edge that like an iced coffee normally has, and it replaces it with kind of a smoother kind of coffee. So even the regular cold brews from Dunkin' have just a really good smooth flavor and taste to them. Well, now take that and then do pumpkin and then put in the pumpkin foam and then do a couple of creamers and some sugar sweeteners, and it's this refreshing like pumpkin drink. It is so good. So I'm just letting you guys know it's a good drink, man. I'm probably going broke from buying Dunkin' and apparently Christmas pipes and opening up the metaverse so that we'll have a war with the Marvel universe. See? Sweet note right on the tip of my tongue when I just lit that again. It's like kind of like sugary. It's very, very nice. It's very pleasant. It's not harsh. The room note, guys, the room note on this is just fantastic. Like, I don't know how anybody could be offended if you were smoking this around them. I would want to go out and buy, like, a package of cinnamon cookies or something. So, that is kind of what I got today in my box. And so what I want to say to everybody is, thank you for watching. Thank you for joining. If you subscribed, if you haven't, you can subscribe, hit the notification button. I normally try to put up 2 or 3 videos a week, and I mean, hit everything from, opening boxes to different kind of tobacco flavors to kind of life things. One of them was National Daughters Day and some other stuff. So I really appreciate that. And, trying to get my son through college, I would appreciate the follows, and maybe eventually down the road we could build something here in the pipe community. I am Professor Pipe Smoker. I approve of this pipe. I freaking love this pipe and the color. I'm a big red fan anyways. I love red. So this just does it for me. This beautiful green bit right here. Look at that. This, right here in this nice decorative band coming around. This is just really gorgeous. And the tobacco, which is Christmas spice, is absolutely amazing. So a little stronger than Molto Dolce. Kind of the same room note, but it is really good. So I'll see you guys on the next video.